All right. It's Jay here for GlacierAdventure.com, and we are at Bob Arendt's Fly Shop on Route 2 in Columbia Falls on the way to Glacier National Park, where he has got just about everything and anything you would want for fly fishing in the Flathead Valley. And he's also got a little bit of insight into what the fishing's like right now in the valley. It is, of course, the heart of spring runoff, but I'm not going to get into what that means. I'll let him do that. Bob, thanks for joining us.
Sure. Limited fishing access probably for the next 2 weeks. Most of the rivers will be blown out. You have Hubbard Reservoir, which will be fishing very good. Swan Lake for the pike fishermen. The Whitefish Lake has been really slow. Lake Mary Ronan will be fishing good. Bootjack's fishing good. Loon Lake's fishing good. Lake McDonald is fishing awesome. Bowman, Kintla, and Quartz will be fishing awesome as well too.
And those ones, Bowman, McDonald, Quartz, and Kintla are all in Glacier National Park.
And you do not need a fishing license to fish those lakes for the tourist. And the rivers are just, they ain't going to exist. They are doing good over on Koocanusa, but it's selectively, you know, you have to have the boat base in Koocanusa. Yeah, Koocanusa is the lake.
Have you started your tours yet, or your guided trips yet?
Well, the rivers we canceled all of them. The Blackfoot Reservation has started, and there again it's been slow this spring because Duck Lake, the ice just came off at Duck Lake a week ago. So it's just been a very across the state of Montana. It's been very selective on where you can or can't fish, and then but the fishing over there is picking up really well.
And so now let's switch gears and talk a little bit about fly fishing in the shop you've got here. It's quite a collection. Not an avid fly fisherman, actually I've never been, but it looks like you've got quite a collection of flies and the ability to make pretty much anything and everything you'd want. Maybe give us a little bit of insight as far as how Bob Arendt's Fly Shop came to be.
Well, we started because I used to be a commercial fly tyer for a lot of the stores around here, and I've guided for most of my life in this area. And what I was looking at is a retirement program. And so I decided I had, you know, some God-given gifts in tying flies, and I enjoyed helping people to catch fish, teaching them how to do a lot of the different things. And so that's how it all started. And then because I tie the flies here at the store, then it was a matter of, well, you had to have enough material, and then the supply and demand issue. And as people found out, and they know that I got a little bit of everything, or I'm willing to get it. So the best way to do that is to either come here personally or call me on the phone, which is 406-892-2033.
Well, thank you very much, Bob. I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
And it's Jay here, GlacierAdventure.com, bringing you the fishing scoop at Spring Runoff, Glacier National Park.
You know, just right now, you know, here in 2 weeks, this whole area is going to turn. You'll have the Thompson River in 2 weeks, and that will be the first area river to open up. Our river is not going to start fishing good in any of this area until July 1st. So for those who are thinking about it, you might as well, because the rest of the state's going to be around June 15th, but that's how it's going to be a late spring. And the park is very limited access. So for this weekend, the biggest piece of advice I can give everybody is make sure you have access on where you used to go, because there isn't many places to go.
And there's the real scoop from Bob Arendt at Arendt's Fly Shop, Columbia Falls.